how to make a perfect chiffon cake. I bet you have been looking for this video for years. By the end of tomorrow, there will be 1 million chiffon cake masters. First, separate 3 eggs. Transfer the egg white into a different bowl before separating the next egg. In this way, we can make sure that no egg yolk goes into the egg whites. For the next step, it's extremely important to mix cake flour and oil together before you add egg yolk, milk, and vanilla extract. I will explain the scientific reason in this recipe blog. Now add some lemon juice and 1/3 of the sugar to the egg whites. Whip until fish eye bubbles show. Add another 1/3 of the sugar. Whip until mosquito eye bubbles show. Add the rest of the sugar. Keep whipping, and this is what we mean by soft peak. Whip for about 1 more minute. Then you will get what we want, medium peak. Schedule an eye exam if you can't tell the difference. Scoop 1/3 of the egg whites to be mixed with the egg yolk mixture. Add this mixture to the remaining of the egg whites. Fold gently until the color looks even. Now, which cake pan should we use? Hehe, I know my followers are the smartest. Nobody would use a non-stick cake pan to make a chiffon cake, unless you want your cake to deflate. Now, to prevent the top of your cake from cracking, loosely cover it with a foil paper. Remove the foil after 20 minutes of baking. Then bake for 30 more minutes. Most people only show you the back side of their cakes because they don't know how to make the top side perfect as mine. Our chiffon cake is 360-degree perfect. Who are we? Chiffon cake masters.